What is happening, guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a very enlightening video for me personally. Have you ever found yourself in one of those situations where you look at something and you think to yourself, I know exactly what this thing's about. I don't need any more information, I got it all figured out. And then you get your hands on it or you give it a closer look and you realize you knew nothing about this and you're completely wrong. Yeah, that's pretty much me with today's video. You see, I get a ton of review requests every single week, especially recently, and a lot of them end up here on the channel, but there's some that initially I'm unsure about. And for the first time ever, I left it up to you guys to decide if I reviewed this or not. And to my complete surprise, you guys actually said to do it, so here we are. Now, really the main reason I had initial doubts was not so much about the product, it was mainly about whether or not I would have any real reason to use it. You see, my beard is far from ideal. It grows in really patchy and thin and basically non-existent in some areas, so I was just wondering if this would even be worth me trying. But I do have to say that you guys were right to push me to give this one a go. I admit that sometimes I have that fault where I judge things too early, and I'm really glad that I could rely on a handful of you subscribers there to help me make a good choice on this one, because really otherwise I may not have even tried it. Now, today's video is focused on this thing right here. This is the Cut Buddy. What this is a beard and haircut shaping guide and template. The backstory on this product is very interesting, and I encourage you all to look that up if you get the chance. It's very inspirational. But we're not going to go through all of that today. We're not here to tell stories. We're here to see how this thing works. Now, as you can see here, the Cut Buddy has a few different sides on it, each offering a function. You can use the curved sides to touch up your cheeks, the straight edges to line up your sideburns or other areas that you just want to have nice, clean lines on. And then it also comes with a barber pencil, which is something that personally I've never heard of, but I've really come to enjoy. It's used to mark your neckline and other areas on your face to make sure you get it right and straight every time. So how does someone like me with a questionable beard use a template or shaper like this? Well, I'm going to show you in a second. It all starts for me with just a little trim. I don't actually trim my beard a lot because I don't have a lot. I like to salvage what I do have, but one area I do shave regularly is right here in my neckline, and for some reason I have the worst trouble doing that. I somehow always manage to get it crooked or take off stuff I don't want to, but here with the tool and pencil you can not only measure it out, but you can mark it and follow that guideline to make it work every time. To make this video, first I let my beard grow out for like a month. Look how pathetic that growth is. And the first thing I do is trim everything down a bit. I don't really like the look that it gets when it gets too long and grown out and scruffy. I like to have it more clean cut if possible. After that, it's time for the neckline and sideburns, and usually I hit them with the trimmers first and then shave afterwards. This is actually where I'd use the Cut Buddy. I'd start with the guide here and get a good measurement. Of course, I've already done this once, so it's good to just follow the old guideline I've already put in there, but follow along with me and kind of imagine for the folks that are doing this for the first time. I use the pencil to mark and bring it across like making a line with a ruler. Then I use the trimmers to clean it up and make it look the way I want. The pencil then just rubs right off your skin with a little water. And here's the final result. So that is how I personally use the Cut Buddy. Now, again, I know I don't have the ability to use this to its full potential, but again, I really like to only show products in the way that I personally use them. I think that's the most honest and thorough way for me to demo things for you guys. And I also really just wanted to put this out because I asked you guys if you wanted to see it. You said yes, and I like to follow through for you guys. But do I think this is a good product? Yes, I think this works very well. I think some of you guys with fuller and more, developed beards, I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this. Especially if you have trouble like I do getting a straight line around your neck or some other places. I have no idea why I just cannot get it straight. I'm looking at it, looking in the mirror, looking at it. I think to myself, okay, I'm getting it, and then I look down and it's messed up. It's just unbelievable. But this and the pencil really does help me get it straight, and it makes it a lot easier. It also doesn't actually add any time to my routine at all, so that's actually something I really appreciate, because if something's gonna make it take longer for me to accomplish, I'm probably not gonna do it. I also like that this tool is fairly cheap. It's $14.95 for the Cut Buddy and pencil. And to make that a little better, the guys at Cut Buddy are also offering a discount to my subscribers to save 10% off your order. That coupon code will be in the description along with a link for you guys to check out. And with that, I do want to thank you guys again for giving me the push to try this. I don't know if I can honestly say otherwise I would have tried it out. My beard is something that I'm very self-conscious about. It's one of the only things that I don't really have that much confidence in regarding me. And I have to say that I was pleasantly surprised, so I do give you guys all the credit for that. If you enjoyed this video and feel like checking out this product, let me know by hitting the like button and dropping me a comment in the comment section down below there. Also, if you haven't already, you need to hit that subscribe button. There's really no other way to say it. You just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. But that is it for today. I want to thank you so much for stopping by the channel today and checking out this video. I'll be back with you guys again very soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.